one.
Speed is the new stealth. We talked about how important stealth technology was, years ago, but now it is all about speed. We've seen in the conflict in Ukraine, defense innovation is iterating sometimes daily, if not weekly. It is so fast.
I work with innovation, I work with startups, I work with research and innovation. So it's simply just a necessity. It's also to be here to see what is happening, where is technology going right now, what are the new markets. So this is very important for us. And besides being an international drone show, it also gathers the ecosystem.
The Odense International Drone Show has a very good reputation for being at the cutting edge of defense innovation, particularly in drones and unmanned systems and counter-drone technology. And that's something that Defense Innovation Network is also focused very heavily on. And so it's very important for us to be able to come here, see what the latest technology is, meet new people, meet new partners.
Part of our reality is we have the strong belief in we need robots to optimize our process of infrastructure management. Since we've been here last year, that we started so many programs and cooperations with companies, and the high dimension of the topic itself, the outcome is more than positive so far and helps a lot for our traffic management and security processes back in Hamburg.
We need to be close to the industry. We need to understand what is going on there, and we need to facilitate that we can do the transfer of research into society for the goods of society. That's why it's important for us.
I think it's important to share our experience. International partners has technology, research, industrial capabilities. So when we work together, we work better and, more important, faster. International Drone Show, a very good platform. Training responsibility like me can communicate together, find better options for building defense for all Europe, not only for Ukraine.
We have more than 1,500 participants from 40 countries, 170 exhibitors from 22 countries. It's amazing how big it has been. The most important outcome of International Drone Show is that people are connecting. People are meeting from all over the world to share knowledge, to make relations, and to make new business. It connects everybody across the industry, academia, and across public authorities. So you also have the end users here, you have the technology providers, and you have the researchers. All is here. This is just perfect.